have no kids with me. This is amazing. One of the major perks of Gary working from home is every once in a while I get to sneak out by myself. Party, party, party. Okay, I'm not really partying. I'm going to check out 2 properties that I was looking at. I'm gonna go see what they look like. So Gary and I are in search of our base, one of the 3 prongs of our goals to financial independence. The base would consist of a living structure of some sort on a decent size of land. An acre or more would be preferable, but something at least bigger than a half an acre would be nice because we do want to be in town and close to school, shopping, church, all those things, locations. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a separate whole barn, which Gary could have his workshop in, and his office and his whole setup that he's been dreaming about. 2 bedrooms isn't super ideal, but I just kind of want to see what the area looks like. So, okay, so I just got here. There's a super busy road that I just turned off of, and this house is literally right on that road. The actual house is tiny, but super cute. But from the pictures and the interior was really nice. I'm just sitting in my car here. I don't know if I can get out or not. But that's the 2 structures. I guess the one on the left over there is the barn, and that other one is the detached garage. They're really nice structures, but it's right, see this fence right here? It's right next to a house right there, which is not super awesome. So yeah, I don't know if this is the one for us. Okay, so this first property that I came to see, this isn't gonna work out. Super cute, and it's a really nice idea, but the location is not practical for us with little kids. That street over there is way too busy, and I don't love the area, but it's really unfortunate because it's a really awesome setup, and it'd be really cool for an Airbnb or a home away kind of rental potential. But the location is poo. Okay, I'm gonna go check out one more property. This particular property is close to downtown area, which is where Gary takes his bus, so that might be helpful. But it's also pretty high priced. So I'll just take a look at it, and it doesn't have a garage or a workspace. It just has a really cool remodeled interior. It's a house built in the 1960s, so it's older, but they did a really good job remodeling it and has some features that we really like, but without having a garage, I don't know. Okay, so I just got to location number 2. It is a super cute house. I'll show you the front of it, but I don't love the neighborhood that it's in, although it is at the end of a street, so there's not necessarily a house right next to it, but what is next to it I'm not super excited about. Plus for the price, and I'll show you, they turned the 1-car garage basically into part of the house, so you have more living space, but you'd have to build a covered parking structure. There's the front of the house. You can see that garage door right there. That's what they turned into more living space. Okay, so I'm gonna say strike 1 and strike 2 because that didn't work out well. But anytime I go look at new places, I'm just finding new areas of town. So next time I know when I find a listing that I'm like, oh, you know, I don't really care for that area. Oh yeah, this area is awesome. So anyway, as we get to know this town, we get to know new areas. So hey, I got to know a few new areas, and I realized, yeah, I don't think those are gonna work for us. So the hunt